Namaste, myself Dr. K.K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women University. Subject Pedagogy of Biology, and today we will discuss about the new topic, that is the Inquiry Training Model. Inquiry Training Model is used for giving training of inquiry to the students. By using this model in classroom, inquiry skill can be developed. Development of inquiry skill needs individual attention. This model was developed by J.R. Suchman. The inquiry may be carried out at the individual level or at group of the level. This type of training gives the learner practice of thinking and speaking. First is the assumption. All knowledge is tentative. A scientist put a theory, a principle, and after some time it may be pushed aside by a new one. We are always curious and eager to learn new things. In this model, there is more emphasis on self-learning. The students learn better when they participate in any inquiry. New strategy can be taught directly and added to the pupils' existing ones. There is no one answer. We can always be more sophisticated in our explanation, and most problems hence many possible explanations. Basic elements. The inquiry training model has the following goal: to enhance the thinking ability of the students, to enable them to form conclusion based on the facts, to enable them to have fluency in their thinking and speaking, more specialty to impart training of inquiry skill. Syntax means the description of the model in action. Inquiry training model has the 5 phases. First phase, encounter with the problem. In this phase, the teacher presents a puzzling situation before the students and explains the inquiry procedure. Its aim is to create new knowledge. The initial inquiry is based on simple ideas. Phase second, data collection and verification. Students here try to collect detailed information about the problem. They try to seek clarification about the doubt concerning the problem. Teacher virtually prepare the ground for the success of the model. The teacher should have an encouraging attitude. During verification, they can ask a question regarding the object, even property, etc. Phase third is data gathering for experimentation. This is a stage when the student actually start putting question and teacher is reacting to their question by saying yes or no, as the case may be. This questioning by the student is continued till they are able to reach the stage where mystery could be solved. Phase 4, formulating and explanation. In this phase, the teacher will invite the student to explain things. Through explanation, rules may be formulated. The deviation is also checked so that efforts are applied in the right direction and no energy goes waste. Phase 5, analysis of the inquiry process. In this phase, students analyze and reflect on the method they adopted for the inquiry. This helps in finding out a suitable solution to the various issues involved, that is, the main problem, the right strategy for it. The social system is an important element of this model. Here, both teacher and the student play a significant role in teaching learning process. The success of this model depend on the mutual cooperation between the teacher and the student. Then, principle of the reaction, ensuring that questions are framed so that they can be answered by yes or no. Following points should be kept in the mind. First, asking student to refresh the question, encouraging the student to give a clear statement, neither approving nor rejecting student theories, encouraging interaction among students, and using the language of the inquiry process. While working with inquiry training model, a teacher requires additional support in the form of a set of confronting the material, technical understanding of the intellectual process and strategy of the inquiry. Teacher may require resource material related to the problem. Then the application of this model. This model is generally used in teaching for scientific subjects. The student learn to analyze the various type of collected informations. Any topic from a curriculum area which can be converted into problem situation or puzzle can be selected for inquiry training. This is all about the inquiry training model. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you very much.